Hello, I'm Michael Rashad, and in this short video we're going to show you how the data that you're actually capturing is used in a meaningful way, and that's basically to do with reporting, although this is just one aspect of it. What we're looking at is a list of invoices that I've created for a variety of clients. You see the invoice number, which is a sequential number. You see the company, which we have chosen by simply selecting from a list of companies. We've selected a contact from that company, and if the company was different, the list of contacts would be different, and we've entered a value. Now, what we're actually storing in the invoices table are these two fields here, the yellow fields. And this field, the company ID, is using a primary key using getUUID, which is absolutely, the chances of it being duplicated are so astronomical. You could win the lottery 5 times in 5 weeks and it wouldn't even come close. Now, this is a good piece of information. We can see the total of the invoices, but what happens if we want to look at it by the company? We just click on the company, and now we see the invoices for each company. And if we look at mailboxes, etc., we've got all of these different invoices totaling this amount of money, and these are the invoices for it. We're now looking at the company record for mailbox, etc., and at the top you can see all the invoices, who placed them, and the amount with the total of the invoices. Below that you can see all the associates with the count of the associates. Now, this reporting is only possible because we've normalized the data. If you were using a spreadsheet system, for example, it would be very difficult to filter down those results and be able to, get to this point of understanding of the data or knowledge. And knowledge is really powerful. Because everything is connected to everything else, you can not only see all the data that you need to from any viewpoint, but you can view it in a readable form. But a spreadsheet looks like a spreadsheet and will always look like a spreadsheet, whereas this allows us to display the data in any way we want to make it usable for the user. But again, it all comes down to the data has been normalized, and that's the real takeaway here.